Hi guys. So today we are going to show you how to make a free listing on the Shades of Karma website. So let's get this started. Now we are on the Shades of Karma's website. Basically, we're catering to women and or minority business owners, and we're going to show you guys how to actually add a listing, a free listing at that. So the first thing is you want to come is to this upper hand corner to the right and click on Add Listing. Once you click on Add Listing, the next pages will show you the pricing plans. For this video, we are only going to select the free listing, but please check out the executive package and the professional package and see all the features and benefits that these packages have and weigh your options. Okay, so you're going to click continue and move forward with the free package today. Okay, now it's this very simple step. Here's where you're actually going to start adding all your information, all your city, full address, phone, business hours, so forth and so forth. It's pretty straightforward. I'm going to start with the beginning. Here where it says listing title, you're basically going to put your business name. So I have this already pre-made somewhere. Let's see where I have it. Okay, found it. So our business name is called SEO Initiative. We're going to put it right here. Our already have this pre-populated. So city, New York, full address, 60 Broad Street. I'm going to copy here the full address, and phone. Uh, that's not our phone number. Let me put the real phone number right here, 866-754. And if your hours are not 9 to 5, you can easily just remove these and then come here, select Monday, and then put your business hours. Normally we work from 8:30 all the way to 7. That's our window. And basically you just click on add and then you come here and you click on Tuesday and you just keep clicking on the plus sign to add the next dates. Now we added Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Now we're gonna add Friday. Now for Saturday, we start at 9:30. Well, sorry, 10, and we close around 2. So we're gonna add Saturday, and then Sunday we're not gonna add Sunday. We just leave it as is. Here we select our category. We are in the design business, so we're gonna wait. There's gonna be other features, and here is one of the main things for us. We're gonna select our ethnicity. I'm Hispanic and Black. So if you're Asian Pacific, Asian, Indian, or whatever ethnicity you are, you come here and select it here. Now, the question is, are you a business or a storefront? You just select whatever option suits you. I'm going to say I'm both. No. And how did you hear about us? How did you hear about us? It's over here. So we're going to come and click on the word of mouth, let's say. Price range, I'm going to say moderate. I'm not going to put my price form. I'm going to put where it starts, what's basically my base, and all the way to where it ends because I'm based off of quotes and depending on what the client wants. When it comes to you, if you are a restaurant and you want to add, say, for example, your biggest price is $10 and your lowest price is 50, your biggest price is 50 and your lowest price is 10, then go for it. Here is where you want to actually detail exactly what you do. So when people come to your listing, people can understand exactly and see if you're a great fit for them and move forward from there. So I already have something written down, and it's basically just a quick short paragraph and some bullet points of what my company does and how we can help each individual. Just check for any spelling errors, of course, and go from there. Okay. Now it says add some images. You want to add some nice professional images for your listing. I'm going to come over here and add some awesome images. So the first image I'm going to put is of my intern, and we're going to just drop it right here. So it's pretty simple and straightforward. You're just dropping pictures. We're going to add one here of me discussing some topic with my intern. Now we're going to add some nice pictures of the office so we can see the space and where they're coming. Here's another workstation for our interns and for our employees. And now we're just gonna add. I'm just gonna add exactly 1 hour design so people can see what type of work we offer. Now for the logo, you want to add your logo so the listing can look very professional, and when someone's looking for you, they can already identify you by your brand. So I'm gonna come over here and look for my logo. If I can find it, yep, right here, SEO initiative. And awesome, that's it. It's already on the form. Now it's asking me for my email. So since this is display purposes, I already gonna put a dummy email just for this showing. I'm gonna come over here, paste that. Of course, you want to read your terms and conditions. So I'm gonna just let that load right here. Terms and conditions. So basically, here's the disclaimers. Here's the you agreed to no forms of direct selling, including pyramid schemes, pyramid selling, network marketing, so forth and so forth. No refunds, and so forth and so forth. I already read all this. You would want to read this. Okay, I agree. And now I'll just click save and preview. Now the next window is going to show me a preview of my listing and see if I like what I have. Now give it 2 or 3 seconds. My internet is kind of slow, and also since I'm recording this, it kind of shows off not as good. Okay, so let's give it a couple seconds.